As we head into the warmer months, I look forward to longer days and the fresh scents of summer. Now is the perfect time to put away those winter essential oils and replace them with beautiful, uplifting spring and summer blends. Hi, I'm Dawn from the blog parkinsonsandus.com. I think out of all my sense of smell is by far the strongest, which is why I love working with essential oils. And using spring and summer essential oil blends quickly brings to mind long sunny days and the fun and lively summer season. It was once believed that our sense of smell was very much less than that of animals, and that we could only distinguish roughly 10,000 different odors. However, it has now been proven that we actually can distinguish at least 1 trillion different odors. That is far more than once we previously thought. Having a strong sense of smell is important for many reasons. First, it's a way to protect us from things that may cause us harm. Things like a burning house fire, chemical exposure, or even food that has gone bad. A loss of smell could indicate a variety of health problems, most commonly allergies or a viral infection like COVID. But it could also indicate something more serious, like a neurodegenerative brain disease like Parkinson's or Alzheimer's. My guy Doug, who was diagnosed with Parkinson's, lost his sense of smell years before he was diagnosed. His sense of smell is not completely gone, but it is greatly reduced. And up until his diagnosis, we had no idea this was one of the hallmark signs of Parkinson's. Our sense of smell is greatly connected to memory and emotions. Studies show that those who lose their sense of smell can often feel disconnected from the world and may sometimes experience feelings of anxiety or depression. When it comes to essential oils, quality definitely matters, so make sure to use pure essential oils. Whether I'm using oils in homemade cleaners, essential oil diffuser recipes, or reed diffusers, I make sure to use the best quality oils I can find. Everyone has their own personal preferences when it comes to using essential oils, but some of my favorites for the spring and summer months are bergamot, sweet orange, juniper berry, grapefruit, patchouli, rosemary, tea tree, definitely lemon essential oil, peppermint oil, and lavender oil. Depending on how you use your essential oils, you may need a carrier oil. Many essential oils are not safe to apply directly onto your skin. They could cause a rash or itching, and for some people, certain oils can affect their immune system, causing them to have a severe allergic reaction. There are many types of carrier oils to choose from. It just depends on how you're going to use your essential oil. Some of my favorites are coconut oil, jojoba oil, rosehip seed oil, and almond oil. Over the years, I have created some beautiful spring and summer essential oil blend recipes. I put a link down in the description box below for a free printable, which contains a lot of these summer essential oil blend recipes. I hope you'll give it a try, and I'd love to know what you think. You can use my spring and summer essential oil blend recipes in many different ways. You can use them as a diffuser or even as wax melts like I'm doing here. The easiest way to use the blends is through an electric diffuser, but you can get creative and use them in any way you wish. And when you do, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you are using my spring and summer essential oil blends. If you did enjoy this video and you want to follow along for more caregiver support, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And I'll also put a link down in the description box if you want to be part of the Parkinson's and Us community. It's a wonderful community filled with lots of love and support, where I provide nourishing recipes, joyful living tips, and support for care partners everywhere. So until next time, bye for now.